Alright, third time's the charm. Sorry, I've recorded this like twice now. Um, Today I'm going to do a video on Flat Earth. And disclaimer, I am not a Flat Earther. I repeat, I do not believe in Flat Earth. Before I lose half my subs and automatically get hate in the comments below, I don't subscribe to Flat Earth theory. And the other day I was watching this actually kind of happens a lot and it's a little aggravating. Is the other day I was watching some SpaceX video, and I'm very skeptical on SpaceX just because of their ties to NASA with the ISS space station and all that jazz. I had a lot of hope for them when they first started, but when Elon Musk himself literally said, it looks fake, but that's how you know it's real. Like, that's just like, why would you even say that? But yeah, I was watching it and I commented, this feels fishy. Because honestly, the video felt fishy. It didn't seem right. It just felt fake to me. And somebody automatically said, "What are you, a flat earther?" And it's like, I'm thinking in my head, no, dude, okay, flat earth has been around since way back in the day, but it wasn't a conspiracy. They took it as fact. Flat earth didn't pop up until probably past like 5 years, And I mean, the whole moon landing happened in the 60s. That's when, honestly, moon hoax conspiracy theorists came out, So it's like, moon hoax conspiracy theory has been around since the 60s, and flat earth just came up. So now sadly everyone has tied the two together, because I don't believe we went to the moon, and I don't believe anything NASA says. Automatically everyone assumes you're a flat earther. So I wanted to just put that out there, that I'm not a flat earther. But I think I've made like two videos on flat earth, or mentioned it in other videos. If you are a flat earther, don't get discouraged, like and subscribe. I welcome any conspiracy theory. To me, it's just fun in general, conspiracies are just fun to me in general. I mean, you could tell me the craziest thing out there, and for me, I believe in some crazy things, so I can't point a finger and laugh at someone just because they believe the earth is flat. And people laugh at flat earthers and make fun of them, but at the same time, they go to church every Sunday and believe in talking snakes, It's like, you're making fun of them for believing in that, but don't you think what you believe in is just as crazy sounding? But anyways, I watched a flat earth video, and I don't remember who it was or who did it or whatever, but one of the videos was somebody in the comment section. It actually came up with someone in the comment section had said, "You know how I know the earth is round? And is because every time I look up at the sun or the moon, you can see it's a ball." And I had commented, like, "Hey, not trolling, not trying to be mean or start a fight or nothing, but that doesn't prove that the earth is round." Like, yes, it would make sense that our plane that we live on, globe or flat, whatever that we live on, would be the same shape as the sun or the moon. But even then, looking up at it, just because it's a circle doesn't mean it's round. And I don't know, I kind of wanted to explain it with physical objects. If I can find, here we go. Give me just a second. I had little props. We're getting scientific. That's a joke, by the way. But I wanted to use like physical objects as an example. Like, say I'm looking up at the moon, you know, and obviously it's round. And you could tell when I turn this to the side that it's a ball shape, you know. But, like, just from looking at it, this could be flat, though. But obviously it's round. You know, and you take a plate and it's the same thing. It still puts out that circular shape, you know. You can't tell whether it's flat or round until you turn it, whether it's flat or round. So who's to say, honestly, that the moon isn't flat, you know, that it's not a disc. You know, and honestly, everyone focuses on, you know, the Earth being round, or the moon being round, but the Earth being flat. Well, who's to say even the moon is round, you know? And I've never heard a flat earther bring up that concept of a ball is going to look like a circle, just like a sideways disc is going to look like a circle too. They're both going to look like circles in the sky. Until that object flips to its side, you're not going to know whether it's round or flat. And I don't know, I just got to thinking, you know, about it. And the thing is, too, with the moon is even science backs this up. Astronomy. We only see one side of the moon. That moon orbits this Earth. It never turns, it never flips to any side. All you see is that one side of the moon. So who's to say that the moon isn't flat? So basically saying, when you look up in the sky and go, well, I looked up in the sky, I can tell it's a ball. I mean, how can you tell it's a ball? It's not turning, so you can't tell. You can't see other sides of it. It could just be flat too, just like the Earth, or it could be round, just like the Earth. Who knows? But I don't know. I wanted to make a video on it, and honestly, some other person commented on my comment and was like, "Oh my God, I was just thinking the same thing. I'm glad someone else said it," you know. And I was like thinking in my head, like, I'm glad that, you know, I had the right words to say it. Otherwise, I would have sounded like a complete idiot, and I'm sure everyone would gang up on me in the comment section of, "Oh, you're a flat earther, you fucking idiot, you're so stupid." And I don't know. I'm not a flat earther, but I'm not. I don't believe anything NASA says though. So, but I don't hate flat earthers, but I don't know. Flat earthers don't really aggravate me, but you know, I don't know. It's hard to say anything about it because as soon as you say anything about it, or as soon as I put this video out there, I'm sure it'll get clipped and spliced. You know, if it got any views, like enough views to become like a big video, like it would get. I'm talking in the future, it would get spliced and stuff and altered to make me look like an idiot, or you know. Hey, and if it does, maybe someone's channel like Cyman Dan or something can, you know, look at it and tear it apart. That'd be cool. That's fine by me, man. I don't care. Bad publicity is good publicity. But y'all have a good day.